Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll learn the names of some of the most common fruits in Spanish. These are everyday words you'll hear at the market, in restaurants, or when talking about your favorite foods. We'll also pay attention to whether each fruit is masculine or feminine and whether we're talking about one or many, like una manzana or unas manzanas. Let's get started with 11 delicious fruits and remember to say them out loud with me. In Spanish, the word for fruit is fruta, and the plural word is frutas. In Spanish, the word for apple is manzana, and apples is manzanas. In Spanish, the most common word for banana is plátano, but in different countries, people also say banano, banana, or guineo. In this lesson, we'll use plátano for singular and plátanos for plural. The word for orange is naranja, and oranges is naranjas. The word for strawberry is fresa, and strawberries is fresas. The word for grape is uva, and grapes is uvas. The word for mango is mango, and mangoes is mangos. The word for pear is pera, and pears is peras. The word for peach is durazno, and peaches is duraznos. The word for watermelon is sandía, and watermelons is sandías. The word for coconut is coco, and coconuts is cocos. The word for avocado is aguacate, and avocados is aguacates. Well done! Now you know 11 common fruits in Spanish, both singular and plural. It's a good idea to learn them not just as manzana or plátano, but together with their articles like la manzana or el plátano, because that helps you get used to gender and how nouns work in Spanish. Keep practicing saying them out loud and try to remember how the endings change. In a future lesson, we'll start using these fruits in simple sentences. See you next time.